Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Atlanta, Georgia. Today we are touring the home of Kandi Burruss and Todd Tucker. The house has 7 bedrooms, and 9 bathrooms, with over 7,000 square feet of space. This sprawling Atlanta home was built in 1996. It features an indoor heated pool, elevator, and 5 garages. Furthermore, there is a large guest house on the property as well. This home features a fireplace, a large open floor plan, and a beautiful master bedroom with an ensuite. The front and backyard are magnificently landscaped. Additionally, there are classic stone steps leading up to the front of the home. Furthermore, Atlanta is the capital and most populated city in Georgia. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish the tour.
Perfect.